Hello traders, welcome to our Altrady tutorial series. Today, we're going to delve into how to place a stop market order, a vital tool for risk management in your trading strategy. In this video, we'll explain what a stop market order is and guide you through the steps of setting one up in Altrady. A stop market order is an order to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at the market price once the coin reaches a specified stop price. It's about automatic execution at market conditions to limit losses or secure profits. To cut your losers on a long position, you will typically set a stop market sell order below the break-even price to a level you believe will be the start of more losses. Once the stop price is reached, the market order will be executed at the current market price. To lock in your profit on a long position, set your stop loss above the break-even price. You can only do this when the current price is high enough to be able to place a stop market order in between the break-even price and current price. Please note that the stop order will trigger a market order. This may result in less profit than expected on low liquidity markets and can even result in a loss due to price slippage. Let's see how you can place a stop market order in Altrady. Setting up a stop market order involves specifying a stop price that triggers the market order. Here are the steps to do it. In the trading widget, click on the market order type. Choose Stop Market from the sub-order types. Enter the stop price, the price at which the limit order is triggered. Input the amount or value of cryptocurrency you wish to trade. If you want, you can drag the stop price in the chart to a different location based on your determined price levels. Review and confirm your order. Please note that the stop market order does not reserve any coins until the stop price is reached. Stop market orders are crucial in fast-moving markets where speed is essential. They help you exit a position to minimize losses or lock in profits without worrying about the order not getting filled. And that's how to place a stop market order in Altrady. This order type is key for managing risk in dynamic market conditions. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and trading tutorials. Until next time, happy trading!